Hi friend, welcome to new English speaking practice and let's do it start. So today I am studying today I right now I am studying BA first year first semester. So whatever I learned, whatever I have experience as a BA student first year first semester, I'll share with you and also your lovely dear friend, your lovely friend Mr. Rupesh Lal. I'll going to share whatever I'm going to study. Today's task is first Abhigyan Unit 1 Abhigyan Sakuntalam, which is written by Kalidas. He is known as Shakespeare of India. It is his most famous play is Abhigyan Sakuntalam. If you are also studying BA first year first semester, do subscribe. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, today's task is foundation and introduction. Author introduction about the play. Read introduction about the play. Learn meaning of Abhigyan. 1 minute, I'll share my window. Foundation and introduction. Author introduction. Not like this. So first, I read. Today's task is read introduction and about the play. First task, and then learn meaning of Abhigyan recognition and Sakuntalam related to Shakuntala. So read and summarize Act 1 meeting of Dushyanta and Sakuntala. Act 2 love and separation. If you are also studying BA first year first semester, do subscribe, hit like and subscribe. Read Act 2 love and separation. Write 5 short questions from this act. Memory tips. Ring which is for love symbol. Curses forgetness, forgetfulness. Reward to 20 points motivation. Every great story begins with the understanding the character. Let's do it. So first of all, I read about Abhigyan Sakuntalam overall summary. Then I read I have to read I read I'll I'll have to read because nowadays I'm practicing English speaking. That's why I stuck. But one day I'll improve my English speaking and I become fluent in English speaker. Yes, my energy is so excited right now. First of all, Kalidas is the greatest poet and dramatist of ancient India. He is known as the Shakespeare of India. His returns show the beauty of nature's love and emotions. Abhigyan Sankutalam is his most famous play. It is written in Sanskrit language. This play shows the love story between King Dushyanta and Sakuntala. It also teaches about truth, patience, and forgiveness. The play has seven acts. Is full of beauty, poetry, and emotion. You have to understand because every year TMBU University asks how many how many acts in Abhigyan Sankuntalam. The right answer answer is the answer is 7 act. Like this, I am teach you and tell you ki what is exact and how to crack your semester 1. So introduction. Introduction. Introduction is Abhigyan Sakuntalam. This is chapter name. And first introduction. First of all, you have to understand introduction. Whatever you are studying, like unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, etc. First, understand overview. What tells author in unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4. So, introduction. Kalidas is the greatest ancient poet. He is known as the Shakespeare of India because he is very powerful and not like this. I am kidding. He is most famous. His most famous play Sakuntalam, Abhigyan Sakuntalam, and it is written in Sanskrit language. This objective question is very important, and in the exam center, in the exam paper, the examiner can ask this objective. It is very important objective question. Abhigyan Sankuntalam, which language written in Abhigyan of Abhigyan Sankuntalam? The answer is originally Sanskrit language. And keep your and memorize this objective because very important this objective. So let's get now the another topic is about the play Abhigyan Sankuntalam. The word Abhigyan means recognition or remembrance. Sakuntala means related to Sakuntala. So Abhigyan Sankuntala means the recognition of Sakuntala. It is based on a story from the Mahabharata. The story tells how King Dushyanta forgets Sakuntala and later remembers her with the help of ring. This play is full of love, separation, vivajan and reunion. Kalidasa shows how destiny and time brings two lovers together and again. The play is one of the best examples of Indian classical drama. The meeting of Dushyanta and Sakuntala. The play begins in the forest near Sej Kanwa ashram. King Dushyanta goes to hunting and reaches the ashram. There he meets a beautiful girl named Sakuntala, the daughter of Sej Vishwamitra and Apsara Menika. She lives in the ashram under the care of Sej Kanwa. Dushyanta and Sakuntala fall in love at first sight. Love at first sight. They both get married secretly according to Gandharva love marriage. The king gives her a ring as a sign of love and promises to take her to his places. Love and separation. First, the meeting of Dushyanta and Sakuntala Act 1 and 2. Love and separation. After their marriage, Dushyanta returned to his kingdom. Sakuntala keeps thinking about him all the time. One day, a sage named Durvasa comes to the ashram. Sakuntala does not notice him because she is lost in thoughts of Dushyanta. The sage becomes angry and curses her that the person she is thinking about will forget her. Her friends beg for mercy and the sage says the curse will end when Dushyanta sees the ring of love. Sakuntala becomes sad and waits for Dushyanta to remember her. That's all for today. Today I learned, today I read first introduction Abhigyan Sankuntalam. Abhigyan Sankuntalam in overview. Introduction. The Kalidas is the greatest poet in ancient India. And second topic, introduction about the Abhigyan Sankuntalam. The Abhigyan Sankuntalam means remembers and remembrance. It is also known, that's why it is known as remember of recognition of Shakuntala. This is most important objective question. Third is Act 1 love. No, no, no. Act 1, there are 7 acts in a unit 1. So first act, Act 1, the meeting of Dushyanta and Shakuntala. He meets when Dushyanta go to forest for hunting, and he met a beautiful girl named Shakuntala, and they fall they fall in love at first, and they fall in love at first sight. And Act 2, love and separation. There, after marriage, they get back his kingdom, and one day Shakuntala 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 is thinking about him. I mean Dushyanta. And while thinking, the sage Kanva come to the ashram, and she she didn't notice her, him. And sage Kanva give curse. Who who about you are thinking he is forget you. This is all about overview of Abhigyan Sankuntalam. So today I am going to teach you. Today, no, today, not today, tomorrow. Tomorrow I am going to teach you. Next topic is, let's see, Act 3, Act 4. Okay? Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video. Until then, do subscribe, like, share.